Welcome to our Latest Decor YouTube channel. Today we have something really exciting for you. We are going to explore some fantastic wall decoration ideas that will transform any space into a stunning masterpiece. Whether you are looking to spruce up your bedroom, living room or even your office, we have got you covered. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Our first idea is a classic gallery wall. It's a fantastic wall to showcase your favorite artwork, photographs, and even sentimental items. You can create a symmetrical arrangements or go for an electric mix depending on your style. Remember, the key is to find a common element that ties everything together, like color, theme, or frame style. So grab those frames, get creative, and let your personality shine. If you are a nature lover, this next idea is for you. Bring the outdoors by creating a nature-inspired wall. You can use wallpaper with botanical prints, hang up fox greenery, or dried flowers, or even create a vertical garden. It's a fantastic way to add a fresh and vibrant touch to any room. Plus, it's low maintenance and brings a sense of tranquility to your space. Are you feeling crafty? Our next idea involves creating your own unique wall art. Get your creative juices flowing by making something truly one of a kind. You can paint a canvas, create a macrame wall hanging, or even purchase items like old books. Not only will it add a personal touch to your space, but it will also be a great conversation starter for guests. Now let's talk about accent walls. They are an excellent way to add a bold statement to any room without overwhelming the entire space. You can use wallpaper with a striking pattern, opt for a vibrant paint color, or even create a unique texture with materials like reclaimed wood or textured wall panels. An accent wall can instantly transform a room and create a focal point that catches everyone's attention. A final is all about functionality and style. Wall shelves and display areas are perfect for showcasing your favorite books, collectibles, or even indoor plants. You can opt for floating shelves, industrial style pipe shelves, or even create a custom built display unit. This not only adds visual interact to your walls but also gives you the opportunity to curate a space that reflects your passions and interests. And there you have it, 5 amazing wall decoration ideas to inspire your creativity. Remember, your walls are a blank canvas waiting for your personal touch. Whether you choose a gallery wall, a nature-inspired theme, die art, and ancient wall, or stylish display areas, the possibilities are endless. So go ahead, experiment, and have fun transforming your space. If you enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to hit that like button, share button, and subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so you will get the latest videos notification when you open the YouTube, because we will collect latest modern ideas, designs for you, for your home interior and exterior decoration, for your living rooms attraction, for those who love the beauty. So please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.